Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at the Tron coin. Now before going to the full charts, want to point out one thing, and it's the difference between the Bitcoin and the TRX movement, showing that the Bitcoin bullish momentums, for example this momentum here, was picked up very well by the TRX coin, while downside movements haven't been so like how do I say it? So, oh no, that's a bad streak I'm having right now, not a flow at all. I'm going to fucking wamba da dumba da this ass. Okay, doing fast. Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we are taking a look at the Tron coin. Now before going to the full charts, going to point out one thing and the good momentum that's forming on the TRX coin, where the Bitcoin is in somewhat sideways channel while TRX is picking up all the bullish momentums on the smaller time frame. So here you can see here as well, the smaller momentum was built, and here we have a decent momentum on the TRX coin. Now it shows that the momentum on the Tron is rather very good, and we might, of course, we are expecting a bullish momentum on the Bitcoin as well. And if we see an actual bullish momentum on the Bitcoin, then this might turn into a really good setup for the TRX coin. Now, I want to point out quickly one thing, that we took a long position on the TRX coin with the target near this region, where the risk and reward ratio was like 1 to 1 and a 2 or 1 to 1 and a 3. Not the best one, we are used to 1 to 2. But I think once we finish this video, we are way past our entry zone, which was somewhere here, I think. So anyways, the game plan for the TRX coin is very simple. Going to start with the, let's start actually with the hourly time frame. So as we mentioned already, this is the major target for us on the TRX coin. This is the secondary target for us, which is like 0.287. Let's mark just in case. 28. Okay, I will do this way, much easier. Like that. Then this one is like that. Now, these two are the major target zones on the smaller time frames, where if you would take from current market price, then the risk and reward ratio would be not that good, but still 1 to 2. Stop loss should be somewhere in this region. So this is the setup that we are expecting on the TRX coin, and as the momentum is picking up, we might see another bullish momentum similar to these ones here. So on the hourly time frame, the setup looks bullish. Same goes for the 4-hour time frame and daily time frame as well. Now before going to the daily time frame, want to point out one thing. This area, which was the breakout structure here, then we went, actually let's go back to the hourly time frame. So we had the breakout structure here. Let's do like this, the breakout structure. Then here we had a market structure break, MSB, and here is the local lows area. So like that, local low. So as we had this market structure breaks, since then the buyers have been showing a good momentum, and as we can see right now, buyers are still showing the pressure, which might turn into a similar volatile momentum like this one here. Now one thing I want to point out is, because this current candle looks very similar to this one here, we might be seeing or expecting some kind of move like this actually, which means that we have one hourly candle, second hourly candle, so bullish momentum, then 1, 2, and a drop. So going to showcase it here as well, a secondary candle, then small bullish channel forming up, and then a downside movement. We might see some kind of move similar to this one, so going to just grab like this and like that. So that's one way to look for, but as of now we are expecting the bullish momentum to fill our targets here. Now going to the daily time frame to show how overpriced the TRX coin actually is. But I mean, there are reasons. The TRX is widely used for the conversations and things. So I think we might be staying pretty close to this EMA's trend that has been respected since 2013. Yeah, basically the beginning of the 2013, where recently we had a breakdown which was followed by the retest, a volatile one, then a similar volatile downside movement, and now price is just moving in a very dangerous area. So the bullish setup that we expected might actually retest the EMAs, although the target was this area here and this area here. But this is the region on the daily time frame that looks as a sweet spot for a downside movement. So if we talk purely on the daily time frame, going to look for, give me 1 second here, going to look for some kind of upside movement as already mentioned, then move to lower zones, break of local lows, and like that. So ideal setup would be, of course, to wait for the short position to be activated, which means the risk and reward ratio would be somewhere in this region, and the target would be, let's see, don't know about the pricing of the target, so like 21 to 22 cents basically. Let's call it 22 cents, the golden zone pocket. So that's the game plan for the TRX coin on the daily time frame, and as already mentioned, on the hourly time frame we are looking for a decent movement to the upper zones. Not huge, nothing like a big, but still some sort of volatile movement which is happening right now. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, leave a comment and I will catch you tomorrow.